We are both standing here on this pole. One of us has some food. One has a fry and the other does not. Some would say that's rude. Seagull, can I have your French fry? It looks very tasty to me. Seagull, can I have your French fry? It looks very tasty to me. Seagull, I have tried to be kind and fair. I've made my case to you, but I'll be taking my efforts up a notch if you don't come through. Seagull, can I have your French fry? It looks very tasty to me. Seagull, can I have your French fry? It looks very tasty to me. Seagull, you have crossed my red line. The time for talk has passed. Now I'm not to blame for what happened still. Your fry is mine at last. Seagull, I will take your French fry. It looks very tasty to me. Seagull, I will take your French fry. It looks very tasty to me.